Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your camera is connected and recognized. Open OBS, set the canvas to match your webcam resolution and frame rate so what you see equals what records. Add a video capture device source, choose the camera, and name it. This creates the live feed. Once done, right-click the source and choose Transform to fit the canvas. This prevents odd scaling. Make sure Preview is active so you can see yourself while adjusting position and composition. Now focus on framing and image quality. Use Transform and Edit Transform to crop and position your face, and scale to a 16:9 layout if needed. This keeps framing consistent. Add filters like color correction for white balance and a chroma key if using a green screen. Apply scaling/aspect to avoid stretching. Arrange layers so overlays sit above your camera, then lock static sources. Make use of studio mode to preview transitions before you commit to live. Finalize by choosing your recording path and format, and pick an encoder, Software X264 or Hardware NVENC for lower CPU use. Do a short test recording, then play it back to confirm audio is in sync and the image is correct. Start the actual recording when satisfied. If you see a black screen, make sure OBS uses the correct GPU on laptops, grant camera permissions, or switch capture type. These fixes resolve most visibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.